And welcome. If you're here, you're curious about knitting fantastic. My name is, and I'm thrilled to guide you. This isn't about quick fixes, it's about solid explanations. So you can truly understand and enjoy knitting. First, the basics: needles and yarn. For beginners, use medium-sized needles and light-colored, smooth yarn. It's easier to see your stitches. You can find these at any craft store or online. Next, let's learn how to cast on. This puts stitches on the needle. We'll start with a long tail cast on. It's popular. Hold the yarn in your left hand, create a slip knot, and put it on your needle. Wrap the yarn around your thumb and index finger. Bring the needle under the thumb loop. Grab the yarn from the index finger, and pull it through. Repeat until you have the desired stitches. This seems tricky at first, but with practice, it's easy. Each cast on creates a stitch, the foundation of your knitting. Now, the knit stitch. This is the most basic stitch, the building block of almost all knitting. Hold the needle with the cast on stitches in your left hand, and the empty needle in your right. Insert the right needle into the first stitch on the left needle. From left to right, wrap the yarn around the right needle, and pull it through the stitch. Slip the old stitch off the left needle. You have a new stitch on your right needle. Repeat this for every stitch on the left needle. Congratulations, you've just knitted a row. What about the purl stitch? It's the sister stitch to the knit stitch. The purl stitch looks like a bump on the front of the fabric. To purl, hold the needle with the stitches in your left hand, and the empty needle in your right. Bring the yarn to the front of your work. Insert the right needle into the first stitch on the left needle. From right to left, wrap the yarn around the right needle, and pull it through the stitch. Slip the old stitch off the left needle. You've purled a stitch. Purl stitches create texture and patterns. How to read your knitting. Reading. Your work helps you understand patterns and catch mistakes early. See the V shapes? Those are knit stitches. The bumps are purl stitches. Familiarity makes patterns easier. Common beginner challenges: dropped stitches are normal. Pick them up with your needle. Uneven tension is also common. Keep your yarn tension consistent. Knitting sometimes seems slow. It takes time, and that's okay. Enjoy the process and don't rush. Everyone makes mistakes, they are part of learning. Let's talk about patterns. Patterns give you specific instructions. They tell you which stitches to use, how many to cast on, and how to shape your work. Start with simple patterns. There are lots of free patterns online for scarves. As you gain experience, move on to more complex projects. Finally, the joy of knitting. It's relaxing, creative, and rewarding. You can make beautiful things with your own hands.